In this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots with Cloud AI. So to access Cloud AI, all you need is come to search bar and just search for Cloud AI and brought in over here. Now to take screenshots, you can all the way after logging in, all the way come to this plus sign. You can all the way come to this plus sign and click and you'll be able to see take a screenshot over here. So once you click, it is going to show you where you want to take the screenshot. Now you have the option to use Chrome tabs. You can take screenshots of any of this, or if you want, you can screenshot any window. Once you click, you can be able to take screenshots to add to your chat with Canva. If you want to screenshot the entire screen, which is where we are right now, you can as well take this screenshot and give Canva and give Claude to give you more information, or you can continue with your charts. Now, let's say I want to screenshot a chart and I want to screenshot this particular tab, okay, that talks about resume creation with Canva. So I'm going to just use this and say share, and this is going to directly go in and take a screenshot of that, and it's going to add it as an add-in to my charts within Cloud AI. So I can now go ahead and say, what can you tell me from the all right, so just a quick question, and let me just go ahead and send, and let's see what this is going to say as regards the CV of this guy. So you can see Dr. Eleanor Mitchell, the photo shows a man, but the name CV is female. Okay, so this is it, and the professor of molecular biology. This is the address, phone number. It's just a sample CV, and you can see how much of the information it has picked, and is very rightly correct. Okay, so you can go ahead next time you want to carry out a conversation or you want to analyze a particular page, you can take a screenshot while you are working on Cloud. It's a very easy tip and I am sure it is going to be very helpful. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.